All right, it's the next day. I already took the timing cover off and harmonic balancer, but I'm glad I'm filming this part. Look at this timing chain. No good. That looked like that's about ready to fall off. Look at that. You can see that even in the grooves. It's coming off on the side right there. Look at that. And that's aluminum. No good. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. It's about 6 in the morning and I'm working at the other shop. Get busy. All right, let's cut some light on. Let's get some light back on it here. There it is. Working in the van because I got to take all this to the machine shop. So now I'm working on getting these head bolts out. Two, four, six, eight, 10. 10 head bolts. Let's get this side off. Alrighty. The looks of these heads look good to me. But we're going to know for sure once we get it into the machine shop. So in my earlier video, I was saying that this motor has, I don't know if I did say or not, but it had low compression. So tearing this motor down, you can see, I can see, is from the timing chain. Not having the valves open and closing on time, so you're losing compression. It's going straight through the motor. But it's like anything else. You replace the timing chain, something else gonna go. So this is a low rider. He want to drive it out of town. We in San Bernardino. He want to go to Las Vegas, LA. Best thing to do, rebuild the motor. But the looks of these heads, they look good. But we're gonna know we're gonna see what the machine shop gonna say. But at this point, everything's looking good. And the timing chain, you can see that play earlier when I was showing it. So when you got a loose chain like that, the valve would not open and close on time. So that's where it was losing all the compression at. Okay, I got both heads off. Cylinder wall's looking good. The lifters are swollen in there, so I'm gonna have to do another method of getting those out. But now let me start taking out the pistons and check out the rings. Alrighty, we got 6 pistons out. One more to go. All right. Now let's go on and take this crankshaft out. Get all those bolts out. See what we got. All right, let's get this cam out. From the looks of this cam, it's worn out too. Timing chain worn out. Camshaft worn out. It did need to be rebuilt. It's original 77 350 O's engine. Let's see if she'll come out of there. Let's see what it'll do. Oh yeah, she got some wear on the tip. Look at that tip. This part right here. Look at that. See that line? When you get to the end, the lobes are not that big. Oh yeah, she got wear on them. That's why them lifters is if you look at this one, that edge, the shine is not as wide as this one right there. See how wide that shine is? That one? Look at that shine. It's wide compared to that one in the back. That one's up, the lobe is up higher. Definitely need a new cam. Alrighty, getting the lifters out. As you can see, got a little glare right there, but better angle. They get swelled up in there after so long, so you got to knock them out at the bottom. So I've got to knock those out. I'm done. I'm ready to take it to the machine shop. Cam bearings, boil the tank, hot tank, clean it. I'm gonna do the honing myself.